Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and Kate. Be coming across this channel for the first time. You're welcome. Please do not make it your last by subscribing to this channel, okay? And also click on that bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. I upload new videos every week, and on this channel we do food and mukbang. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your love. So guys, today I'll be showing you another way which you can enjoy your puff puff. This is not just the regular puff puff, this is puff puff with a twist, okay? You will enjoy making this puff puff, like you won't regret watching this video. So if you want to know what I use in making this puff puff, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients to you. So guys, in my bowl I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have my half cup of sugar. You can go in with as little or as much sugar as you want, but please take it easy on sugar, because when your puff puff is too sweet, like, you will not enjoy it. But feel free to add in more or less sugar. I have here my 1 teaspoon of suya spice. Yes, I'm using suya spice for this puff puff. So today we are making suya spice puff puff. I have my salt. I have my yeast, and I have my warm water here. So right now I will go in with my dry ingredients. For the mixture, I'm going in with my sugar first. I will add in the suya spice. Then I will add in the salt. I will mix this very well until the mixture is well mixed before going in with the next ingredient. I'll be going in now with 3 teaspoons of yeast. I'm going to mix this well, then I will go in with my water. I'm adding my water bit by bit. This is so that I can be in control of the liquid that is going into the batter, so that I won't over add water into my batter. Okay, so after mixing everything, I covered and put it in my microwave. You should put it in a warm place, okay, so that the yeast can activate. So after 30 minutes, this is what we have. Our batter has doubled in size. So I went ahead to heat up my oil and then start frying the puff puff. You should make sure that your oil is hot enough so that your puff puff will not soak oil, okay? And fry on medium heat, do not fry on high heat. I'll be going in with the next batch of our batter. I'm going to fry until I've exhausted all my batter, okay? Let me know in the comment section what you think of this video. Is this something you would love to try? And do not forget to like this video if you find this video interesting, and if you have not yet subscribed up to now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscription is free, there's no hidden charges. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe. Okay, just subscribe and click on that bell so that each time I drop a new video it will come direct to you. Okay, so this is what our puff puff is looking like. This puff puff came out so yummy. I bet you are going to enjoy this puff puff. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please do not forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video. Okay, help me to like this video. It helps people to push my video. And do not forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends, share to your family. You don't know who you might be helping out there. Okay, so like, come here next time guys. Bye.